welcome back to Easy Nails. Today I am going to do a French ombre nail design, and I am using the Valentino ombre kit. It comes with super white, which is the white I'm using here, and cotton candy, and a no wipe top coat. So I have the peel off base underneath. I applied some nail tips on, and I am starting to apply the white first, and you guys can see I'm applying the white and I'm leaving a little bit of space by the cuticle area to fill in the cotton candy color. This was my first time working with the Valentino products, and I really liked it. Yeah, the consistency is pretty good. I think it's like more of a medium consistency. Yeah, so I really liked it. I would suggest this kit. The only thing is, I think that the cotton candy color is too bright to be an ombre color. You guys will see what I mean in a minute, but it was hard to differentiate between the white and the cotton candy color. So I thought it was just, in my opinion, too bright to be the color that you do the ombre with. The white was great, but I think that this one needed to be more of like a pinky nude. But other than that, it was great. The acrylic applied really smoothly, and then here's the cotton candy. And I'm going to be applying this. You want to use like a wetter bead, medium to wetter bead. You want to get it into place, and then you want to feather it slightly up the nail. And I say medium to wet bead because you want to be able to feather it so that there won't be like a harsh line between the white and the pink. So I'm doing this across all the nails, and I'm putting it right before the cuticle, not touching, and then I use my brush to push it back into place. I'm using the number 16 KADS brush and the s&mnailcandimonomer. I do have a code for the monomer. It is Irresistible Sweets monomer as usual, and I'll leave my code down below for that. But yeah, I thought that they were pretty good products. I'm still getting used to working with them a little bit. It's not my favorite white, but it worked pretty well. I really liked the cotton candy color. It was really pretty. So I applied this to all the nails, and then yeah, so I applied these to all the nails, and then I'm going to put some of the crystals I got from AliExpress on them to decorate them. I recently did an AliExpress haul, and you guys saw that I got these crystals from there. So I'm using those to decorate the nails, and you guys can see what I mean here. I mean, I don't really think it was such a drastic ombre because the pink was so bright. I don't know. It wasn't my favorite ombre. But the kit is really good. It's a great way to try out the brand. So I'm just using builder gel, and then I'm going over that with the Valentino No Wipe Top Coat, which comes with this set. And this is Valentino Pure Beauty is the full name of the company. And I am using builder gel and then going over the Valentino Pure Beauty No Wipe Top Coat. And then I am applying these crystals right on top of that. And they don't move. They adhere great with this method. I really like it. So I am doing this to my pinky nail, and I am just using random colors here. I mean random sizes. And then what I'm doing is I'm taking these little pixie crystals with a nail tip here because I couldn't find my cuticle pusher. And I am just applying that right onto the wet gel, sporadically in between the larger crystals. And I really like the effect that this gave the nail. I thought it was super pretty. And always when you're working with the pixies, just make sure that there's nothing on the edges of the nails. You want to make sure that the edges of the nails are smooth. So it won't like cling onto anything when you're putting on your clothes and stuff. So make sure that the edges of the nails are smooth. So I'm using the Valentino No Wipe Top Coat here. And I did have that builder gel underneath to adhere the crystals on the ring finger. And then I'm applying the rest of the nails, some nice glossy top coat. And I really, really like the way that these turned out. I did wish that there was more of a contrast to the ombre, but they're still really, really pretty. Let me know, you guys, do you like them? Do you like Valentino Pure Beauty, the brand? I like their acrylics so far. I have realized that different acrylics from them have different consistencies, which I think is a little weird, but yeah, some other colors that I have, I feel that the consistency was better than the white. I don't know, that's just me. So I'm applying some more crystals here on the nails, and I will get back to you guys when I'm done with the crystal application. So we are going to cure these nails, you guys. Stick them in the UV LED lamp. And that is it. I cannot wait for you guys to see how these turned out. I hope you guys like these. Subscribe, comment below, like this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.